Hey guys, it's me Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to learn the members of the family in French. So let's get started. So firstly, let me introduce you to the person about whose family we are going to learn today, and that's me, which is moi. Moi. Now let us see what is mother called in French. We have it as mère, mère. Then we have is father, which is père, père. Next comes both of them together, which are called as the parents, which is parents, parents. Now let us see what is their relation with each other. So mother's husband is called as mari in French, mari, and the father's wife is called as femme, femme. So now let us see about the sister. We have it as sœur, sœur. Then we have is the brother, which is frère, frère. Then we have is the grandfather, which is grand-père, grand-père. Then we have is the grandmother, which is grand-mère, grand-mère. Then we have are the grandparents, which both of them together are called as grands-parents, grands-parents. Next comes is the uncle, which is oncle, oncle. Then we have is aunt, which is tante, tante. Then we have is the children of uncle and auntie, which both of them together are called as the cousins, which is cousin, cousin. So now let us recall what all we have learned. Here we have is grand-père, grand-mère, which both of them together are grands-parents. Then we have are the father and mother, which are père et mère, both of them together are called as parents. Then we have the uncle and auntie, which are oncle, tante, oncle, tante. Now let us see about their children. So the children of uncle and auntie are called as cousin, cousin, and the children of mother and father, the real siblings, are called as sœur et frère, sœur et frère. Sœur is sister and frère is brother. And then we have is me, which is moi. Now let us see the relation of the children with their grandparents. So first we have is grand-père et le grand-mère. Both of them together are grands-parents, and all these children are their grandchildren, which are petits enfants, petits enfants. Now let us see what a grandson is called. It is called as petit-fils, petit-fils. Then we have is the granddaughter, which is petite fille, petite fille. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.